Jeez Louise, look how fat that thing is. That fish is like 13 inches. Look at the gut on it. Holy crap. Weighs 1 pound 11 ounces. Oh, there's a tail of a bluegill down its throat. You can see that. Alright. Off she goes. That's a good one. Oh boy. Whew. I hope you guys were able to see that thing. Absolutely hammered it right at my feet. Might be 3. Goes. There's one better right there. Oh. Okay, that's the female. Has to be. Yeah, the bed's right there.
Do you cook them?
No, I'm putting them back.
Oh.
They always go back. That's one off the bed. The other one's still there. I saw him chasing bluegills off the bed. That's got to be the female. £3 pounds 2 ounces. Alright, I'm gonna put her right back onto her bed. Well, she can't see her bed when she's got a bunch of muck on her face, but okay. Oh, I'm gonna catch you. Don't you worry, boy. Took my claws, gosh darn it. I'm sorry, buddy. That's not that bad of one. I thought he was way smaller. Whew. No, there's my first one officially on a bed. The last one, I'm not sure if he was on a bed for sure. It's a good one. 2.6. Alright. And try and put you back right on your bed. There you go. And now I cannot see the bed because, well, he swam off, so. There's one. Not that big, but we'll keep. First little one out of here. Ooh, sharp teeth. Off you go. That's one. A good one, I think. Oh yeah, good one. Stay pinned, boy. Okay, I just flipped a pretty big one. Boom. Oh. Look how he ate that. It's gonna be close to 4. It's not. Alright, we'll call it a 3-2. Alright. Long, just skinny. Let's go. There you go. Oh, that's a good one. That's gotta be a good one. Oh my God. Holy crap. Okay. Stay pinned, boy. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Stay pinned. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Yes. Holy freaking hell. Oh, oh. Dude, that thing's... That's my PB. Holy crap. Oh my goodness. Oh boy. £5 3 ounces. One more weight just to make sure. 5 pounds 3 ounces. Oh, we'll go one more. £5 4 ounces, that's what we're calling it. Oh no, don't go bleeding. Okay. Alright, time to actually get a release on this girl. My PB. Come on, go, you got it.